Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon, January 2019. Great day to go over some nice van inventory, and right now I'm going to highlight something that just came in, a 2018 Coachmen Crossfit, used, 17,000 miles. It's on the Ford Transit chassis, 1 ton, dualies, great carry capacity, 5,000 pounds towing capacity, and 22 feet long. It's got a nice grab assist handle here, full screen going across, marine grade exterior ABS. So your rear couch in the back with a touch of a switch. Here we go. We got a twin bed. You put the boards in between, put the cushions in, and you've got a nice big huge bed. You can run them either way. It does have lights up in all the storage cabinets, which you can change colors. This is where your DVD player is, your TV that swings around in the aisle. All solid wood cabinets. Nice big windows all the way around. And then you've got a choice of privacy screen or bug screen, and they go up and down however you want them. That's on both sides, of course. Then we've got more storage up on top. USB ports, 12 volt, 110. Got cup holders here on both sides. All your controls for your fuses and circuit breakers are down below. Propane detector, little storage area here. It's got a Truma system for heating, so the air comes out in here for your heat. It also runs the hot water tank. This is a compressor refrigerator, and what they did is they put the freezer down on the bottom. Most of the time you're going to be getting in the refrigerator up here, so you don't have to bend down as much. Nice feature. And it's a compressor, so there's no propane, and you don't have to have it perfectly level to have it operate like on the freeway. Microwave up above, not enough room for convection. Closet area, adjustable shelves, so you can choose if you want to store something or just use it for hanging space. Bathroom. You got a hanger up here, vanity mirror. That's your nozzle where it goes. And one nice thing about their tub enclosures, there's like one seam right here. There's no other seams, so your maintenance down the road on this enclosure is going to be much better on other models that have a lot of seams. Again, the curtain comes down to the lip, keeps all the water inside. This flap opens up to give you more elbow room. Storage up on top, some privacy curtains. And then back up here, command center, generator start, battery disconnect, solar panel, and the Truma system. Battery's gone. Let's go outside. We'll take a peek on the outside. 6-cylinder Ford front rear wheel drive. This is the exhaust for your heating system. This has a very low temperature, so it's not a concern to being burned. Electrical outlet. EcoBoost. This thing rocks. It's got so much horsepower. It's like 310, 400 foot-pounds of torque, and it will fly over the mountains, even towing. Of course, the Class 3 hitch, wiring's all done. So this is your water, fresh intake, your black water flush, 110 hookup. Got your propane down here, sewer hose, Dump stations down below. Outdoor shower hookup. Regular gasoline power mirrors. And I know you've got a question or two. Well, just call the van guy direct. My number is 541-554-9581. My email is on the screen as well. I'd love to talk with you. I appreciate your time.